Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have some happy mail here from Fabulously Creative. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what I've got. I just cut the tape, got it ready to open. Well, I thought I cut the tape. Let's see, there's more tape. So let's cut that. That was a little crooked. There we go. Okay, now we should be able to get in. Ooh, lots of goodies. Okay, so let's take everything out. Wow. So set the box aside. First thing I saw was this tumbler. This is nice. Slay girl slay. Wow. So it's BPA free, do not microwave, hand wash. So it can't go in the dishwasher. Huh, what does this do? Oh, it's the breathing hole, okay. Slay girl, slay. Okay, so I got the tumbler. Okay, I've looked at these in store before. This is a journal. Washable paper journal cover, 5.5 by 8.5. 2 journal inserts, 24 pages each. Wow. So I'm guessing that Fabulously Creative has these available now on their website. So go check it out. Use my code RACHFAB. Okay. Wow. That is very unexpected. So it's made from paper that can be washed. Oh, here we go. Okay, so and this is the elastic for the closure. So that would just go through here like this. And then close the journal. So there's that, and has a pen loop, and I think these are standard size inserts. Yeah, 8.25 by about 4.25, which is really like 4.33, something like that. So yeah, these are standard size inserts. This one has a blank paper. This one has lined paper. Their covers are very sturdy. This has multiple it's on multiple elastics. So let's see how many elastics we actually have. So you have built in, wow, this is tight too. So built in, you get 6 elastics. So that is a good amount of storage space. So you can put 1 notebook on each elastic and still have 4 more to go. And you can always use a jump band. I show how to do that in a video. I will link to the video in the iCard up above. But that's pretty nice. Considering that it's paper, it doesn't feel like it. Okay, so got a traveler's notebook to go with the tumbler. Then in this nice baggie, we got stickers. So let's start with these pre-packaged stickers. These are from Life Organized Paper House floral stickers, teeny tiny florals. And how many are in here? 104 pieces. This is Plans That Blossom. This is Us. And this is what the stickers look like. Hopefully you're not catching the glare. Plans That Blossom. Okay, I get it now. So it's the same stickers on both sides. 38 pieces. Then these are, looks like colorful boxes from Fabulously Creative. Let's see what these are in each package. Oh, I guess I was looking at the back side. Oh my gosh. So this is the right side. This says Cultivate. And we've got the legs. She's got a floral bouquet and a purse. So that's what that one looks like. Then here's one with the legs going in a different direction. I always like when sticker shops do that, or stationery shops do that, where they put the doll or whatever it is in both, facing both directions, so you can use it in different ways. A life of style and grace, a beautiful life. And that's packaging. Goes in recycling. Then we get the boxes that go with it. Okay, so you could basically do a complete spread with these, because you got your boxes and you got the doll and a bit of quote or script to go with it. That's pretty awesome. Okay, like that. Let's see what this one is. I saw this on Instagram and I love this blue dress, and it's just as pretty in person as it is in the photos. Okay, so let's take that out. Good vibes. Love this dress. Love it, love it, love it. And here it is in like a orange color, inspired. Then these are the boxes that go with it. You got some deco pieces also. Hopefully you're seeing these. So you get the deco pieces also on the sheet. Very nice. I like that it's like almost a kit kind of, but not over the top kit. Then this last one is Create. And all of this is from Fabulously Creative. You can go check them out. I'll link to them in the description box below, and also leave my code in the description box below. So this one is Create. Cute little outfit. Then these are the boxes that go with her. I like the plaid. And there's some handbags at the bottom. A life of style and grace, a beautiful life. So create a life of style and grace, create a beautiful life. Get it? And so this is like lemonade colors, like the pink and yellow. Very nice. Okay. So I haven't been doing a lot of Plan With Me videos. It seems like the interest in them is waning, or weekly setups, however you want to call it. Also, I have not been working in my social media planner much this month. I think I've skipped a couple of weeks here, and I guess I'll just go on and skip the rest of the month, because I don't feel like there's any point in starting on it at this late day of the week. So I already have my August inserts out, and I could do a layout here. Let me see. No, I'm going to save that to do something else with. So I do have the August inserts. I printed them in both formats. These are available to Patreon elites. So if you are not an elite and you would like some printable inserts that are dated, you can go and check us out over there. The link is in the description box below. And I do have a variety of sizes. They come in classic, half letter, B6, A6, personal wide, passport, also standard size traveler's notebook. So, and if you don't see the size that you need and you are a patron, I will do my best to accommodate the size that you need. So I'm going to stick with the verticals for this month. Let's go ahead and cut these in half. Oh, I shouldn't say this month. I should say for the month of August. So let's move this out of the way for now. Let's make sure everything is everything here. And it seems to be. So as I have mentioned numerous times before, to me, the A5 or half, these are actually half letter. It's the US version of A5. These are the easiest to print and cut when it comes to inserts, because all you do is cut it in half. You can't get any easier than that. Once you print it, you just cut it in half. And you don't have to worry about any printer alignment issues when you're doing duplex with half letter. I don't know why that is. It just is. It always works out so much better. Okay. So let's see. I don't know how I got the pages mixed up, but I did. But that's okay. We're gonna work it out. This is the back. This goes like this. This goes like this. Okay. So that's the insert for August. You get the title page, which you can decorate up. You get dot grid to do with as you please. The monthly for the month of August. Then we start with the weeks. Just making sure everything is in proper order. Vertical lined. More dot grid. And then the back title page. So let's go ahead and punch that. I'm using the arc punch from Staples. See if I can cut. I'm not gonna push my luck. Let's just do half. Make sure I'm punching the right side. Make sure I got it set to junior size. Half letter is also referred to as junior size. And it is 5.5 by 8.5. Let's give all the information there. And even though it's half letter, it does fit in a A5 binder. So really with any insert, you can punch it and put it in any type of binder that you choose. For instance, I could just use a 6-hole punch and put these in a A5 binder. I could do the 3-hole punch and put them in the half page binders like you see in back to school sections. With the inserts that I create, you're not limited to just traveler's notebook or just disc bound or just rings. You can use it either way, any way you want to. For instance, I could have just folded this, stapled it in the middle on the fold, and used it in a A5 traveler's notebook. So, and maybe we'll get to that one day. I don't know. So this is July. I did not use that yet. I'm gonna put August in the front. I like to put the current month in the front. So let's put this in here. Then I can go ahead and add my tab. If it's in here, yep. For August. So let's put the tab on. It's gonna go like that. Let's go ahead and fold it. And these tabs are available in my shop. These are laminated on one side. It's a piece of sticker paper laminated on one side. And there is a video showing how to create your own tabs. And I'll link to it in the iCard up above. Let's see. Kind of want to get this lined up as best as I can. Doesn't have to be perfect. So there's that side. And flip it over. And just press it down. So there is August ready to go. So let us begin the first week of August. I think I'm going to start with the lemonade stickers. This is what I'm calling them. Yeah, I'll start with that. Don't forget to check out Fabulously Creative. I know I keep saying it, but yeah, don't forget to check them out. I can keep all of this together. Okay, so when I saw this, it made me think instantly of these washi tapes from Simply Gilded. These are the Paisley Spring washies, but I think they work just fine here. So let's go ahead and take these pages out and get started. I know it's for August, and this, she kind of looks like a schoolgirl look. Let's put this here so I can keep my place. So I'm going to put the pink at the bottom. And I think I'm going to put it inside the box this week. I'm going to use this one. It says create all the pretty things. Hope I got that straight. And then I'm going to use, is she too big? I think I'll use the medium size. And I'm going to put her over here to balance that out. Okay, so from Roy G. Biv by Hell of a Plan, I kind of like this, but it's so very yellow. This is perfect, but it's so big. I don't know how I would use it, and I've used all the small versions of that. I must really like it. I'm going to take a chance and use it, even though it's humongous. I could make it smaller by cutting off the bottom of it and putting it somewhere else, but I don't think I'm gonna like that. I'm just gonna go for it. There we go. Okay, so we got that. We use one of those. Let's use a couple of the boxes. I'm gonna use this, just offset it a little bit here. So since that's crooked, I'm gonna put this on here like that to kind of distract from it being crooked. So this is a quick one. Let's pop this back in. So this is August 1st through the 7th in my PR planner, social media planner. So, and I'm using, the main stickers are from Fabulously Creative. I used a floral from Hell of a Plan and washi tape from Simply Gilded to create this spread. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and this weekly setup. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.